Here's a quick recording of how to go about making this PDF lecture content accessible. So if you don't already have a Word document, it's probably the easiest place to start. But in this case, if you just have the PDF, what you want to do is go under Tools and then do Add Tags to Document. It'll take it a few seconds. It'll run through. Typically the tags aren't going to already be there unless you started with an accessible Word document, so this should be helpful. So then it'll try to pull up, it'll tag everything, but it won't necessarily be able to predict the correct tags, so you have to go in and fix it. So basically what we're going to do, we'll close out of that. There we go. I'm going to go to Touch Up Reading Order. And when I do this, it's going to allow me to fix the tags and also make sure that everything's in the right order. So I'll go to Show Order Panel and it'll pull up here on the left. So if I go to, let's say, page 1 here, I can see here Astronomy 1101, From Planets to Cosmos. Well, I know that that's actually the title. That's a heading 1, but it's not tagged as such. It's pretty much just tagged as text right now. So I want to make sure I have that highlighted, and then I come over here and I just click heading 1, and now that will become tagged as heading 1. So then let's say I go to Lecture Course Introduction. That's probably going to be heading 2, heading level 2. The author I'd probably just do as text. Video transcript, I would just do that as text. Part 1, that would then be heading 3. And then the rest of this that you can see, it's just sort of set up as paragraphs, which is totally fine, and they're in the correct order, so we should be pretty good there. But if I scroll through, and you'll see the reading order starts over at 1 at each page, but if I scroll through, I'll eventually get to part 2 here. Okay, there it is right there, part 2. So here it is over here in the reading panel. So if I make sure I have that clicked, that would again be heading 3. And then I should be pretty good. So just to make sure, I'll close out of my reading panel here and I'll come over to the tags icon on the left side here. So click on that. Now I'm going to be able to, I should be able to see all of my tags. So here I can see heading 1. Okay, good. There's a blue line around that title, so that's my title. Now I'll be able to see all the different parts of the document. So heading 2, all of this is under heading 2, which is Lecture 1, Course Introduction. And then I have my different sections. So here I've got like the author and sort of the video transcript subtitle of sorts. And then I've got heading 3, and everything, all the paragraphs under heading 3 are there. And then I'll close that. And then I've got another heading 3, which is our part 2, and all of the paragraphs that are underneath that. And then let's see, was there a bibliography? No. Okay. Yeah. So once you're done with that, you're pretty much set. Just make sure that you save it. You'll probably have to give the file a new name, but then you should have an accessible PDF. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. If you want to try a couple and then send them over to me to take a quick peek at, that's fine. I went ahead and did this one, so I'll just attach this to the email along with this screencast. Okay, hope this is helpful. See you later.